you know, and I think what happened is when YouTube first came on, we kind of saw YouTube as a reality show. We watching people real life. But the more I watch and the more I pay attention, a lot of people are on YouTube and they're actors. I remember the old folk used to say, believe none of what you hear and half of what you see. And that applies to social media.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. Yeah, 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 yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop.
Good morning. Hey y'all. Yeah, so I'm headed to a meeting. I just want to come back through and speak to y'all and say, this me, is that you? I just want people to know that it's okay to be original. Don't think you have to be like everybody else. Don't think you have to go get in a whole bunch of debt to try and prove something to other people. You know, all of my friends have nice homes, brand new cars, and I don't feel like I have to compete with anybody. I basically stay in my own lane. I probably spend more money doing philanthropy work than what I could do paying for a car. Well, I have done, I put it like that. So, I mean, my thing is, when it's all said and done, you're not going to be judged by what material things that you have. You're not. What have you done to help somebody else? And if you're driving a $80,000 or $90,000 car, do you give rides to people that you know? Or do you go help a senior get a once a month check? Do you go help them grocery shopping or take them to doctor's appointments? Do you give back? You know, so many people are hooked. They idolize the material things, and it's just really, really sad. And you don't have to be like everybody else. You don't look for other people for validation. God made you. He know all about you. And people got to, we just got to get back to the basics and realize that, life is not just about buying things all the time. I like seeing people shop. I like shopping myself. If anybody know me, they know that I shop a lot online, though. I don't really, I go in the store, and I'm in Louisiana, and some places you go, you just can't find the things you need. So I'm quick to run to Amazon first. Now, I worked retail for many years, so I'm savvy about competitive shopping and things like that. I'm not just going to go in haste and start shopping. I'm going to do price comparisons. I can almost tell you how much something costs in Walmart as opposed to somewhere else because I search. But I do know that sometimes things are more expensive online than they are in the store, and vice versa, honestly. So, but yeah, all I want to say is, so many people struggling and doing without, or putting themselves in debt trying to compete with other people. You don't have to do that. Just be you. Be you. Be who God made you. Because, all that pretending, that's too much work. I could get on here. I literally could go to work dressed up every day. And when I first started this job, like going to a meeting, I would throw on a pantsuit. I wouldn't really wear skirt suits too much. I like to wear dresses, though. I just feel like I'm more dressier in dresses. And then, to be honest, my legs so skinny. But anyway, when I don't know, y'all, it's weird. I gained weight and look like my calves are skinny. When I was heavier, my calves were bigger. I could show you, if I could find a picture, I'm going to post one. We had a family reunion. I was up there speaking. I was like, well, damn. Excuse me. Darn, how my legs get skinny? But it happened. All of my weight is in the middle. It is. But anyway, I just want to speak to people who, because a lot of times you catch people with their head down because they're embarrassed because they don't have this or that. Just thank God and be grateful for what you do have. Just don't compare yourself to anybody else. Just try to be a better version of yourself than you was last year. You understand what I'm saying? I talked about this one time. We were at my little niece's baby shower. My great niece, my nephew that died in January. His daughter had a baby in March, and the day after my mom's birthday. But anyway, we gave her. We had the gender reveal, but then we did the baby shower. And my niece came and she was saying how, you know, she be on Facebook and stuff, and sometimes it makes her kind of sad or feel a certain type of way because everybody booed up and traveling and all that stuff. I said, girl, I said, don't get caught up in that. I said, because you buying a house on your own. I said, the Lord has blessed you. You got a child in college. Now her other son graduated. And a lot of times people are, I'm not going to say jealous, but wishing they had what the person had, or they insecure because they feeling less than. But what you're feeling less than is a lie. How many times we've, even some of the people that I've watched before, you think everything is picture perfect and hunky-dory in a relationship. They posted, the next week you see they're divorcing. So things are, you know, and I think what happened is when YouTube first came on, we kind of saw YouTube as a reality show. We watching people real life. But the more I watch and the more I pay attention, a lot of people are on YouTube and they're actors. They're not being their true selves. And I'm just keeping it real now. I'm just keeping it real. And some people tell y'all, this is just entertainment. This is not real life. But that's where the disconnect comes. And that's where a lot of people lose interest. Because if they wanted to see actors and actresses, they want to watch people who've actually gone to school, who have honed their craft, right? So it's tricky. But I can tell you one thing. I am who I say I am on here. I mean, I don't go into detail about who I really am, what I really do, because that's confidential. I can't, there's certain things I can't discuss. I just need to interject right here and let you guys know that I am the same person, behavior. I mean, you know, the same love I have for everybody in person, I have for you all here. But I'm just saying, the life that I live, the career I'm in, that part of my life has to be private. And that's for professional reasons. But there'll come a time that the Lord let me live that everything will be revealed, okay? Much love to y'all. But what you see is what you get. I ain't dressing up every day, going to work in no suit to sit down and at a desk all day. You know, oh shoot, is he gonna back up and let the man go? Oh yeah, he going to back up. Yeah, but I'm saying, I'm just telling y'all, just be you. Don't feel like you have to go out and buy anything to compete with somebody else. You know, don't feel like you have to change the way you think or the way you live to satisfy people, because I'm gonna tell y'all this, and I learned this as a young kid. The people who the Lord want in your life, they gonna love you for just who you are, who He made you, not who you're pretending to be. Because I'm gonna tell you something. You can't pretend 24 hours a day. You're gonna literally drive yourself insane. It's just not natural. It's not. And I was talking to y'all, my phone got so hot, y'all, they clicked it off. So, but yeah, what I was saying is, y'all, especially young ladies, concentrate on building your business, building your brand, being productive on your job, trying, you know, whatever you want to do, be better at that. But don't compare yourself to other people. Sometimes you do. You want to, or darn, how is it they doing? But you don't know what people doing, what they sacrificing to do what they do or whatever. Y'all, I was, ooh, look at a bad hole right here. Damn. I was very close to getting a car. Darn, they need to fix that hole right there. And I told y'all about that earlier, but just wait. Don't make no decisions in haste. Just take your time when you're planning something and ask yourself before you start buying, do I really need this? Or you just buying stuff to be putting it on, or you just buying stuff to be making videos for YouTube to make people think you got it like that, and then when the camera's off, you crying because you can't afford the stuff you bought? Don't live like that. Don't live like that. We all want nice things, and we can have them, but you ain't got to get everything at once. You know, take small steps. Yeah. And my thing is, if you already living in clutter, and that's what I told myself. I was reading this article. They said if you living in clutter, if you buying 2 things, get rid of 2 things, and that's what I'm really having to do, y'all. So much stuff. Y'all know I sell on eBay. I hadn't sold in a long time. eBay kind of. Anyway, that's another story, but you know. All right, I ain't gonna hold y'all because my phone finna probably go get too hot to get on this dashboard. My dashboard got so hot, so I had put that. I had a thing with the sticky back, and it's got my dashboard sticky. But I read what these sticky dashboards on the Toyotas, there was a recall on that. I was like, well, I'd be darned, but I missed it. All right, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Bye.